today we're going to bring a respirator with actually goggles and two sets of filters. All right, so what it is, it's a smaller one, a smaller version of it, if you guys can see that. The goggles are separate, they're not together, there's two pieces. All right, the goggles an option, you could use them, but they have plenty of protection, and they have for fog proof. All right, so there's some ventilations for fog proof. The actual mask is well fitted, stretchable, and it's all silicone base inside. The two filters, you don't have to use these filters, you could replace them with your own filters if you want. That's an option, but they give you two sets. So what we're going to use it for, we're actually going to be sanding stuff and making sure that some of the stuff doesn't go into our lungs. We have a lot of 3D prints that we're doing too, so we're going to go ahead and get rid of all these lines here, sanding it a lot. So recommendation, if you don't have glasses, wear some goggles and then the respirator, because some of this plastic goes into your lungs. So we're outdoors today, we're going to go ahead and sand the stuff and see how it works, how the mask even fits too. So let's go ahead and set the mask up. All right, to set the mask is easy. So you got this part of it, this goes behind your head, that's what it is for. All right, so let's untangle it. One set of filters, if you guys can see, it's just a twist. All right, so in order to use them, you need to twist this part right here. They have to fit in like a puzzle piece, and twist them, and that's pretty much one. Let's set the other one up. All right, so we're gonna put them on today. If they're too loose, you could tie them up here. All right, so we're gonna go this behind your head, mask goes down, click these together. All right, behind your neck. There we go. Pull this, goggles, and that's it. Pretty much that's it. So let's go ahead and start grinding some of the stuff out.